Hello students, in this video we are basically going to discuss a small part of a question which is slightly tricky to understand. So let's take this example. Now the first bit of the question, I expect you all to get this on your own. We'll discuss it verbally and I expect you all to do the calculation on your own. So the question says a circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 8 meters surmounted by a conical part. If total height of the tent is 13 meters and the diameter of its base is 24 meters, calculate the total surface area of the tent. We are basically talking about a cylindrical base and a conical top over it. So a cone is above the cylinder. All the dimensions are already given in the question. You have to find the total surface area of the tent. I expect you all to do this on your own. Total surface area of the tent is basically going to be the curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone, because this circle which you see does not really exist, because within the tent that is going to be open area. We are not using cloth to cover that part. And the ground of a tent is never covered with any cloth, that is just basic ground. So over here, the curved surface areas of both cylinder and cone have to be added. That will give you the final total surface area of the tent. I hope you can manage the calculation, and after that you will get 7656 upon 7. What I want you all to understand is the second subpart. The second subpart over here reads as, you have to find the area of the canvas required to make this tent, allowing 10% of the canvas used for fold and stitching. So students, let's understand this with a basic example. So let's say if this is the canvas is generally rectangular in shape. Now if this is the canvas, we are saying 10% of it is used in folds and stitching. So this 10% is used in folds and stitching. So the actual area of the tent is covered by this 90% of the canvas. So what you have to understand is the equation that we get is area of canvas which is used in stitching, that is definitely equal to the total surface area of the cone. Now area of the canvas which is used is not full area, it is this 90% area, because the other 10% is used for fold and stitching. So the 90% of the total area of canvas, that will be equal to this total area which is 7656 upon 7. So 90% into total area of canvas, so into 90 upon 100, that will be 7656 upon 7. The rest of the calculation is manageable. You just cross multiply 100 and 90, so you get 7656 upon 7 into 100 upon 90, that becomes 10 by 9. You do the calculation, you will get this answer, which is 76560 upon 63, which in decimal is 1215.23. Calculation is not my concern, students. What you have to understand here is that because 90% of the area is contributing for the main tent, that 90% of the total area of canvas will be 7656 upon 7. I hope you have understood this. That should be it for this session. You should practice similar questions to ace this time. Thank you.